These Tabasco hot sauce peppers are carefully washed and sorted for perfect quality. In Tabasco hot sauce production, everything moves fast but stays perfectly controlled.
Only the best Tabasco hot sauce peppers are selected for fermentation.
Now the Tabasco hot sauce peppers move to the next stage of preparation.
In Tabasco hot sauce production, fresh peppers are mixed with salt and left to ferment naturally.
These Tabasco hot sauce peppers slowly develop rich flavor during fermentation.
Experts carefully monitor every step of Tabasco hot sauce fermentation for perfect balance. The Tabasco hot sauce mixture is transferred through controlled pipelines for aging. This is where Tabasco hot sauce develops its signature deep, bold flavor. Now Tabasco hot sauce is finely ground into its signature smooth and fiery texture. Every batch of Tabasco hot sauce is carefully refined for perfect consistency.
This is the moment Tabasco hot sauce transforms into its final liquid form. Careful heat control brings out the bold flavor of Tabasco hot sauce.
Now Tabasco hot sauce reaches its perfect rich and fiery consistency.
Now Tabasco hot sauce is carefully filled into its iconic bottles with high-speed precision. Every Tabasco hot sauce bottle is tightly sealed to preserve freshness and flavor. Each Tabasco hot sauce bottle receives its iconic label with perfect accuracy. Finally, Tabasco hot sauce is ready in its iconic bottle for delivery worldwide.
Tabasco hot sauce is tested in labs to ensure perfect taste and consistency.
Every batch of Tabasco hot sauce leaves the factory through a carefully organized shipping system. After approval, Tabasco hot sauce is packed and prepared for worldwide distribution.
And that's how Tabasco hot sauce is made, from fresh peppers to the final fiery bottle.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.